Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Lucy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking everything Olaplex, talk you through the treatments, how much my hair has progressed in the last 6 months and whether it's actually worth spending your coin on these products. So the products that I'm going to be reviewing with you today is the Olaplex Bonding Maintenance Shampoo, which is the number 4. We've got the Bonding Maintenance Conditioner, which is number 5, and number 7, which is the Bonding Oil. I'd love to test out the rest of the products, but I thought this was just such a great kind of starter kit. And Olaplex is actually for all hair types, so even if you've got straight hair, you'll kind of see results as well. It's not just targeted towards curly hair, but that's just kind of the hair that I have, so that's why I'm going to be talking about it today. So I've given you a little bit of a backstory. I have naturally curly hair. I'd say it's kind of like a type 3 something. I'll leave it on screen what it actually is, but I have such a love-hate relationship with my hair. This is it, naturally curly. I've just left it to dry today just so that I can show you. I don't usually tend to wear my hair curly on my YouTube channel just because I have that much of a love-hate relationship with it. I just wanted to quickly take you back to 6 months ago on where the stage of my hair was. It was dry, it was brittle, it was snapping. It was just getting shorter and shorter every time I went to the hairdressers. I need to chop a little bit more off all the time. My hair is naturally quite thin when I straighten it as well. It didn't have that body. I'd have these like curls and it wouldn't even curl. It would kind of just be a bit of a frizzy mess, and my hair would just be so dry that you'd get those curls that are so like damaged that they lose their curl pattern. So that's kind of where I started 6 months ago. And this is what my hair is kind of looking like now. I'll try and insert photos of what my hair looked like before, but I absolutely hated it then, so I probably don't have any pictures. But yeah, I take this as a good curly hair day. Let's just get into talking about the actual product. To start off with, we have the Olaplex number 4 Bonding Shampoo. I absolutely love this. A little bit goes such a long way. Like, I'm not even halfway through the bottle. I'm probably like about down to here, and I've had this about 6 months. It lathers up so nicely. I know that sounds weird, but it feels nice on your hair when you actually shampoo it. It makes your hair feel clean, but it also makes it feel like it's protecting it as well. And I found that this stops a lot of frizz as well, and it repairs, strengthens and hydrates all hair types. So when I read that, I was just like, give it to me, I need that now. And it is so worth it. My hair is nowhere near as half as frizzy as it used to be, so if you get a lot of frizz as well, I definitely recommend this because this is the only thing that seems to really help me. For reference as well, what I have actually used in my hair today, I don't actually have any curly hair products in my hair to like make it curl, so if I added curly hair products into my hair as well, then I just think it would take it to a whole new level. So I just use this like normal shampoo, and I only typically wash my hair like once or twice a week, so I'll probably like wash my hair 3 times every kind of 2 weeks or so. I know that kind of sounds gross, but it suits my hair more, stops it drying out as well, and I find that it helps with the natural oils in my hair. And then we've got the conditioner, which this conditioner is literally a godsend as well. Makes your hair feel so nice and a lot less tangled, especially with curly hair. You don't feel like you've got a dry bird's nest on your head. I know that sounds weird, but if you've got curly hair, you probably know what I'm on about. You leave this in for 3 minutes and then rinse out, and sometimes you don't even need to leave it in your hair that long. Yet again, I've only like, it's only like down to here, and I've used this for 6 months. And can I just mention how great these smell? These smell so good, and I'm honestly so obsessed with just the scent and the smell of them. I don't even know what they smell like or what they remind me of, but if you want a good smelling shampoo in general, these are really good. And I think it is such an affordable price, and the fact it's actually repairing your hair. A lot of people don't want to test these out because they're like, is it worth the money? And I 100% say that it is worth the money. I would not go out with curly hair 6 months ago because I was just too embarrassed with the state of what my curly hair would actually look like, because the ends were horrible. The ends with here would be a different curl pattern and just dry and frizzy. this bit would be straight, and it just wasn't a look. Whereas like now I feel like my hair is actually growing, it's getting longer. I know it probably doesn't look like it, but it is, because it was in such bad condition before, and I just want long, luscious, curly hair, and I literally cannot wait for that. And then moving on to the Olaplex bonding oil. Again, I love the scent of this. They've kind of all got the same scents running throughout the kind of products, and I love it. You've straightened your hair, just add this in and it stops it looking dry. I don't even have it in today because I think that the shampoo and conditioner add enough shine, and I'm going to be straightening my hair after this video anyway, so I'll be adding the bonding oil afterwards. But again, a little bit goes such a long way, and this bonding oil is more on the pricier side of Olaplex things. For kind of like the mil that you get, it's only 30 mil, but again, I just love the way it kind of makes your hair look. You can use it on special occasions, but honestly it just makes your hair look so much healthier. It's just perfect, and it's not kind of like faking your results either by like putting crap on your hair to make it look good for a week or so, and then it's actually damaging your hair in the long run. It's protecting your hair and making it look good at the same time. So yeah, I absolutely love all three of these. My opinion, they're 100% worth the money, worth the hype. I would definitely get on it, especially even if you just dye your hair, straighten your hair, use a lot of heat. If it's damaged, just look after your hair. I'd even use these on my hair extensions that I bought to make them last longer and make them less frizzy, and just kind of protect them as well as your own hair. I also chose to try Olaplex out because it's got this bonding technology with scientifically proven that strengthens your bonds through chemistry. I don't really know the ins and outs of it, but there are plenty of explanations on their website, so you can look through that and see the technology that is actually used behind it. It's not just an ordinary shampoo and conditioner. There is a lot of research behind these on how it does work to protect your hair. These aren't protein treatments, though I'd say that because protein treatments tend to kind of damage your hair if you use them too much anyway. You can literally use this every single time you wash your hair, and they are made without sulfates, parabens and gluten, as well as being vegan as well. So if you're a vegan, you can use these. Perfect for that, and they're colour safe, so it also means if you've got damaged hair from dyeing your hair, it's not then going to change your hair a different colour. So that's definitely a bonus. Could not get enough of these. I wish I could had the others to try it out instead of just the shampoo, conditioner and oil, but maybe I will look into that and get the others to review for you and just see whether they make a difference to my hair with the other treatments. The key takeaway is it's worth the money. It's changed my hair game completely. It's made my hair grow. My hair's not as dry, my hair doesn't snap as much, and the ends are a lot less damaged, and there's a lot less split ends. I've noticed a hell of a lot less split ends. And yeah, I'm just so excited to see how my hair is going to be in November after a year of using Olaplex, and I literally cannot get enough of these. If you have any questions about the products themselves, or if I have missed anything out, please let me know by commenting down below. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next week for another video.